Om Gururam Namaste. Good morning, all of you, my dear fourth class students. We have discussed today discuss about capacity. Okay, already we have discussed about capacity. So some problems are more here. So everybody discuss with me. See here, page number 42 from your activity book. From your activity book, page number 42. Read the scale carefully and note down the volume of liquid in each container. So you can see first container in your activity book. See liquid in 500 ml. So in first container, so you can write everybody the quantity of liquid right in the box, that is 500 ml beta. Like this only everybody write down. Now next one, 1500 ml, second container, 1500 ml, milliliter. Next third container, 2 liters, 2 liters. Now next fourth container, 1 liter. Now here 500 ml after, so one line is there, so you can count, that is 100 ml. 500 plus 100, you can get 600 ml. Now second row, first container, here 1 liter, 1100, 1200, 1300 ml. Now next one is 500, 600, 700, 800 ml. Now next one here 1500 ml, 1600 ml, 1700 ml, 1700 ml. Now next here 900 ml. Next here 1 liter. 1 liter means 1000. Now next 1100. Next 1200 ml. First one 500 ml, next 1500 means 1500 ml. Now 2 liters, 1 liter, 600 ml. Now next 1300 ml means 1300 ml, next 800 ml, next 1700 ml, next 900 ml, next 1200 ml. Now next one, mark the following containers by coloring them till the correct points. So first one is 700 ml means 500 ml after we have to take 2 lines. Now next one, 1100 ml. So 1 liter, after we have to take one line. Now next one, 1800 ml. So 1500 ml, after we have to take 3 lines. Next 300 ml. Now next 900 ml. Which class? See here, listen. Next, word problems. Page number 43. Word problems, beta. Listen carefully. Here, see. Akila's water bottle had 1 liter 250 milliliter of water. Akila's water bottle had 1 liter 250 milliliter of water. If she drank 550 milliliter of water, if she drank 550 milliliter water, how much water will be left in the bottle? See here, listen carefully. The capacity of the quantity of water bottle. That is equals to 1 liter 250 milliliter. The quantity of water drank by Akila, that is equals to 550 milliliters. The remaining quantity of water in the bottle. That is equals to 1 liter 250 milliliter minus 550 milliliter. First the given number write in column wise. See here, this is liters, this is milliliters. 1 liter 250 milliliter. Next 550 milliliter. 550 milliliter. So there is no liters. Here 5 minus 5 0, sorry 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 5 possible, not possible, take borrowing from liters. So here 10 plus 2 12, 12 minus 5 you can get 7, so 0. See here, the remaining quantity of water in the bottle, that is equals to 700 milliliters. So write down. So 700 milliliters of water left in the bottle. Now next question. A teaspoon holds 10 milliliter of syrup. A teaspoon holds 10 milliliter of syrup. How many teaspoons of syrup will the bottle hold if the capacity of the bottle is 200 ml? If the capacity of the bottle is 200 ml, ml means milliliter beta. Now next question beta. Right, so the capacity of teaspoon that is equals to 10 milliliters. Next, the capacity of the bottle that is equals to 200 milliliters. Next, we can find out number of bottles. Number of bottles? No. Number of teaspoons. See here, a teaspoon hold 10 ml of syrup. How many teaspoons of syrup will be the bottle hold? See here, number of teaspoons. Is equals to 200 is divided by 10. So 200 is divided by 10. Here 2 is taking as dividend and 10 is taking as a division. Now we have to take from 200. So we have to take from left to right side to take 2 digits, that is 20. So 2 is less than 10. So we have to take 2 digits from left to right side. 10 table. 10 2s are 20. So 20 minus 20 0. Now bring down 0 to the remainder. So 10 zeros are 0. Therefore, number of teaspoons is equals to 20. Now next one is Sunita made 4 liters of mango juice. She filled 400 milliliters bottles with this juice. How many 400 milliliters bottle did she fill with the 4 liters of mango juice? Very simple beta. The capacity of mango juice. See here, the capacity of mango juice that is equals to 4 liters. So liters is converted into milliliters, means multiply with 1000. 4 into 1000 milliliters. So you can get 4000 milliliters. Since 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. Write down. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. See here. The capacity of each mango bottle, that is equals to 400 milliliters. So you can find out number of mango bottles. Number of mango juice bottles is equals to 4000 divided by 400. See here, 400 is taking as divisor, 4000 is taking as divided. So from left to right side, I have to take 3 digits. So 400, 1 the 400. So 400 minus 400, 0. Bring down 0 to the remainder. 400 zeros are 0. Therefore, number of mango juice bottles, that is equals to 10. See here, now again I have to take everybody workbook. Workbook, page number 26. Workbook, page number 26. Multiplication and division. See here, first one is solve the following multiplication. First bit. Solve the following multiplications. Solve the following multiplications. First one, 385 into 5. The given number is 385 multiplied by 5. See here, first the given number 385, write in column wise according to their places. First multiply the digits in ones place with 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. In it, 5 is taking and write down ones column of the product and carrying 2 beta. Now next, we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 8 with 5. You can read 5 table, 5 8s are 40. So 2 is added to 40, you can get 40 plus 2, 42. In it, 2 is taking and write down in tens column of the product and carrying 4 beta. Now next we multiply the digits in hundreds place, that is 3 with 5. So you can read 5 table. 5 3 is 15. 4 is added to 15. 15 plus 4 you can get 19. Now here 19 is the last 19. So you can write total because so this is the last place of the given number, that is a hundreds place. So you can write 19 total. Now here product is equals to what we get 1925. Now next one is 798 multiply with 4. See, first you can read 4 table. Now multiply the digits in ones place, that is 8 with 4. 4 8s are 32. In it 2 is taking, write down in ones column of the product and carrying 2 beta. Next we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 9 with 4. 4 9s are 36. 2 is added to 36. 36 plus 2 you can get 38. In it 8 is taking, write down in tens column of the product and carrying 3 beta. Now next we multiply the digits in hundreds place, that is 7 with 4. 4 7s are 28. 3 is added to 28. 28 plus 3 31. So you can write total number 31. So because this is the last place of the given number, product is equals to 3182. Now next one, 527 into 3. First we multiply the digits, that is 7 with 3. 3 7s are 21. In it 1 is taking a write down ones column of the product and carrying 2 beta. Now next we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 2 with 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 is added to 6, you can get 8. Right? 8 is a single digit number, there is no carrying, you can write total. Now next we multiply the digits hundreds place, that is 5 with 3. 3 5s are 15, so you can write 15. Now product is equals to 1581. Now next 931 into 6. First we multiply the digits in ones place, 1 6. 1 with 6. 6 1s are 6. Next we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 3 with 6. 6 3s are 18. In it 8 taking and write down in the tens column of the product and 1 is carrying. Now next we multiply the digits in hundreds place, that is 9 with 6. 6 9s are 54. 1 is added to 54. 54 plus 1 55. So you can write down total. Product is equals to 5586. Now next one, 243 into 9. First we multiply the digits in ones place, that is 3 with 9. 9 3s are 27. In it 7 taking and carrying 2. Next we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 4 with 9. 9 4s are 36. 36. 2 is added to 36. 36 plus 2 you can get 38. In it 8 taking and carrying 3 beta. Next we multiply the digits in hundreds place, that is 2 with 9. 9 2s are 18. 3 is added to 18, you can get 21. So you can write total 21. Product is equals to 2187. Now next one, 703 into 8. First we multiply the digits in ones place, that is 3 with 8. 8 3s are 24. In it 4 is taking a write down in ones column of the product and carrying 2 beta. Next 0 is multiplied with 8. 8 zeros are 0. Then 2 is added to 0. 0 plus 2 you can get 2 to write down in this column of the product. Now next we multiply the digits in hundreds place, that is 7 with 8. 8 7s are 56, you can write a total because this is the last digit of the given number. then product is equals to 5624. Okay, today your class is complete. Thank you everybody.